In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games that won't launch properly. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable sequence that tackles the most common causes, and I'll explain why each fix works so you know what's happening behind the scenes. Start by repairing the game's files. Open your Steam library, right-click the game that won't launch, choose Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace anything that's missing or corrupted. This is especially helpful after a crash, an interrupted update, or if mods change core files. The process can take a few minutes and may download replacements, so let it finish. It usually doesn't touch your saves, but have the game closed and give it time to complete. If you try other fixes later, come back and run this verification again to make sure everything matches the latest versions. Next, clear Steam's download cache and make sure Steam has the permissions it needs. In Steam, open Settings, select Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This wipes out stale or broken data that can block updates or corrupt installations. Steam will restart after this and you may need to sign in again. Then, right-click your Steam executable or shortcut, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Apply your changes. Running Steam with elevated permissions helps it update games, write to protected folders, and interact with anti-cheat services without being blocked by Windows. Together, these two steps resolve a lot of launch failures caused by cache buildup or permission issues. Finally, make sure your system software is up to date. Update your graphics drivers either through Device Manager or, better yet, using the manufacturer's tools like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD software, which ensure you get game-ready drivers. Graphics drivers are closely tied to how games initialize. Outdated or corrupted drivers commonly cause crashes before a window even appears. Also, install the latest Windows updates by going to Settings, then Update Security, and checking for updates. These bring important fixes to components games rely on, like DirectX and the .NET framework. If updates are installed, restart your PC when prompted so changes take effect. After completing these steps, try launching the game again. If it still misbehaves, return to the game's properties and verify the integrity of its files one more time to align everything with your updated system. Thanks for watching.